Hi guys, welcome back. Please do subscribe and turn on your notification bells. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. So, starting afresh, I did want to tell you guys that I am no longer going to be making videos simply because I'm delving deep into the realm of art. Trying to rekindle the drawing aspects of one of many of my talents. Yes, because I do have many talents, but definitely trying to work on those talents, and especially drawing and painting digitally will be one of those things that I'm trying to nurture in this new year. So you're probably asking yourself, why are the videos gone? Why aren't you keeping them? Simply because I'm trying to repurpose and redirect this channel. Your follow-up question would probably be, why did I remove all my videos from my YouTube channel? So the simple answer to that is because the content that I was making doesn't fit the person that I am today in the present, and I don't see that content also aligning with the person that I envision myself to be for the future. Moving on very swiftly, for this painting I had drawn from a reference image, which I still had to learn the perspective of face structure and body, but for this one specifically face, and it was kind of difficult, but I got the hang of it and I'm quite happy with what I got. Obviously I will progress as I keep going to continue drawing and sketching out every single day to just get better at perspective drawing. To draw this painting, I'm using a Wacom Initus, the code CTH480 if I'm not mistaken, which will also be down in the description below, and the software Photoshop. In the beginning, to transfer the drawing that I had done on paper to my PC, I obviously had to Bluetooth it to myself, and I can say that it was pretty daunting to draw directly on my tablet and watch the screen simultaneously. And I totally understand why people would opt for an iPad for drawing, or just a simple tablet with a screen on it and transfer the drawing directly on there. For live streaming, I do draw on Sundays, accessed 6 p.m. in the evenings. I will leave details down below about that, and do follow me on all socials.
What's your dream?
Little Dolly stuck in the closet, broken and dejected. I was lost, but now I'm found. Your love made me whole. Your love is wonderful. Your love is wonderful. Wonderful. Your love made me whole. Wonderful. Your love is wonderful.
Your love is wonderful. Your love is wonderful.
Your love is wonderful.
Tell me your dream.
Your love is wonderful. Your love is wonderful. Little Dolly stuck in the closet.
What's your dream?
Little Dolly stuck in the closet, broken and dejected. I was lost, but now I'm found. Your love made me whole. Your love is wonderful. Your love is wonderful. Wonderful. Your love made
nothing's wonderful. Your nothing's wonderful.
Your love is wonderful.
Tell me your dream.
But love is wonderful. Your love is wonderful. Little Dolly stuck in the closet.
Hey, babe. And this is what the painting in the end looks like. I myself am a critique and I can tell you what I could change already, but I would love to hear from you and what your thoughts are. Leave your comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Until then, take care.